I am ready to send it over to Studio 2A. Gene, how's it going over there?
It's going great, Matt. I'm glad to be here. I'm delighted to be in Studio 2A with Birds and Arrows, a.k.a. Andrea and Pete. And they're going to do some original holiday songs for us.
That's right. All right. Let's do it.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
See them run and all the joy you left them. Heart flying, bones are crying. Stoke the fire, pour the cider. I'm coming home.
All right. That was great. Birds and Arrows. You're listening to KXCI 91.3 FM. It's the Sonic Solstice, the 15th annual. And Andrea and Pete from Birds and Arrows are here in Studio 2A. We're going to have a quick guitar change. And it's great harmonies in that song.
Oh,
it was beautiful.
Thank
and
you.
it was rocking. Pete does something that I admire all musicians, but I really admire singing drummers.
Oh, yeah, singing drummer.
It's a strange thing to do.
Yeah, but you do it well. It just comes naturally, I bet, huh?
Well, naturally in like 20 years of playing.
Oh, that was wonderful.
Well, thank you. That was called Blue Collar Red Suit.
And who might that be about?
That's about, so I grew up in a family all from Baltimore, and I'm from Richmond, Virginia, and lots of blue-collar workers in our family, and I always like to think of Santa as how stressful of a blue-collar job that would be. So that's why we wrote that song.
That was great. Thank you.
Thank you. And we're about to head back to North Carolina, where we just moved from about a year ago, so we're new to Tucson.
Well, we're happy you're here. Thank you.
Thank you. And
Thanks.
This is called In Carolina, and it's a song about Carolina.
looking at the half moonlight, its blue light, dry yellow fields, thinking of the old ones that traveled here. Did they move south on hope alone? They heard it rarely snows in Carolina. Sitting by the warm glow of our wood stove fire, cold on the cabin window, like a storefront display, a city holiday. When we hear that cold sway of those tall forest pines, a light heart stirs me, it stirs me away. And we will run outside on hope alone. Because it rarely snows at all in Carolina.
That was groovy. That was great. Thank you. Beautiful, actually.
Thank you. Yeah, it snows more there though than here. It turns out.
Yeah, good
Does
point.
Yeah, a little bit more.
Once in a while, you can see snow in Tucson. I
Yeah.
hope you get a chance.
I've heard. I look forward to that. That'd be really fun. It's been pretty cold lately. Speaking of, this is called Old Man Winter.
Okay.
And this is our last song, right?
Yep. 1, 2. I still don't like it. I still don't like it at all. I just don't fight it. I shouldn't fight it at all. He chopped the leaves off the trees, blew in on an icy breeze. He caused a scene, evergreen. a summer's day, but it's okay. It's okay to fight. It's okay. It's okay to fight. I still don't like it. I still don't like it at all.